Clearly she gone on the road and police stop her and take with the car.
Well, there's a sight I don't see very often. At least I don't get to witness it or I don't notice it. New leaves coming out on the mango tree. Good morning, neighbors. What's good in the neighborhood today? Well, I'm making a run to the shop. I know I don't usually see me alone in the car, much less on the driver's side, but I can drive. I feel for some coffee and we're out, so I'm just going to go up the road and get it. When I say run to the shop, as I think Paul pointed out, it's not a literal like run because we can walk. It's within walking distance, the shop, but the sun is boiling. How are you all managing in this summer heat? I mean, I'm glad that summer is here. I love summer. I feel like I'm on summer holidays for some strange reason. But yeah, the heat, gosh, it gets too much. I just left Leila and Zahra in the house a while ago, completely naked, pitting them stripped down, not have on no clothes, and asking to go swim. So yeah, I think maybe it's good weather outside here today. So I think maybe we can indulge them and give them a little bit of time in their little splash pool. Maybe later on, maybe later on in the morning, maybe when I come back, because the wind might actually pick up. So it's probably a good idea to do it from early. But yeah, come to go shop now. Most of the time, Paul does the shopping, so I have not really been doing any of the shopping. Okay. Even in making these quick runs, Paul has been the one who has been doing them. I haven't been doing as much of the shopping. Ever since the pandemic, Paul has been the one to go to the supermarket, go to the shop, all of that. But it's nice to come out, man. You see, even these little short runs, oh, they mean so much. There's no reason for Paul to stop what he's doing to come buy a few packets of coffee for me, so I can run and go do it. I am taking as much liberty. Me pass the shop, you know. Me drive past the shop. I drove past the shop and I'm just, taking my own sweet time to pick up my few little packets of coffee. Before I met Paul, before we had one teenager and 2 sets of twins, I would just take a drive by myself to clear my mind, to listen to worship music, to pray. And that's important. That's important for you as an individual. It's important for you as a mother. You need that time to re-energize, to refocus, to recenter, because life gets busy. We all get stressed. The stress gets pent up. Before you know it, you're lashing out at your loved ones. And that's not the kind of mother, wife, person I strive to be. So before it reaches a stage where you just completely stressed out, just take a moment, and relax, breathe, just speak to God before you get all stressed out and you're snapping at everybody. Speak to God and allow His peace to give you peace. Allow His peace to enter your heart and to calm your mind. That's very important. Very, very important. But yeah, that's my word of encouragement today. Take a moment for you. Relax, enjoy yourself. Anyway, onto the shop. Forgot my mask. Let's put them on. Yep. Now we can go. How you do? Yeah, you have any Blue Mountain salad or coffee? The packet one? Give me 2 packs, please. How much that's in a condensed milk? No? Alright. How much to this? How much? Alright then. Thank you. Alright, I forgot to the other shop to get the condensed milk. They're out of that at this shop. So there you go. But that's only means that you can come with me to the other shop. Yeah, so they don't have everything I need at this shop. So I go with corner shop. So I'm gonna check the other shop to see if they have the condensed milk. Hannah is making some oats. She needs our condensed milk. This car needs a cleaning. My husband loves to complain. That is me. And my children love to mess up the car. But by the looks of things, he seems to have done quite the job all by himself. Hello, service. Anybody in the shop? Hi, morning.
Right.
How much for a tin of condensed milk? Bills. Give me one there, please. $300. Thank you. Give me a different one. This one kind of rusty up on stuff. Please. All right, thank you. Oh, what kind of seat you have? Seated and finish. All right, all right. Oh, today seemed like a nice beach day. So that shop had our condensed milk, but Paul told us if I bring back something nice for him. Paul said bring back something nice for me. They were out of sweeties. Man, can't believe shop out of sweetie. Can you imagine that? Community shop that is out of sweeties, not very child friendly community that we live in, to be honest, you know. But if I want to get the sweeties, bobbies and things, I would have to go to a different shop. I can't bother. I really kind of just want to go home, go drink my coffee and eat my breakfast. It's just after 10 now, so let's go home. So you know I'm taking the long way home, right? And I'm going to be driving and taking my sweet time. I'm not in a no rush. Paul is okay there at home. Girls are fine. So I really feel like I'm on summer holidays because I guess I can tell you guys this. My work contract came to an end, and I don't think that even if I'm offered a new contract that I'm going to be taking one right now. So yeah, I'm going to try to take the time to really enjoy motherhood, enjoy my children, especially over the next few months of summer when they'll be at home. Leila and Zahra, as you guys know, will be going to preschool. We'll be starting preschool in September. Hannah will be going back to school as well. You know, she's in high school. She's going to be going into 4th form, doing her CSEC prep, starting her CSEC preparations. If she's in a hurry, she needs to pass me. I'm not going to drive any faster. So what you saying now?
You're gone for about half an hour, at least. Do have our valley driver's license, so I'm here thinking. So clearly she gone on the road, and police stop her and take with the car. And I say, you know what, I just can't manage. I can't manage nothing more right now, so make half an hour blow off, then I call you.
So hold on there. You would have been fine with me getting locked up by the police?
Not fine, but I mean, if you don't call me, clearly.
Oh, so you're just taking the next half an hour?
Yeah, you wouldn't change the price right at this point.
Well, I went to the shop.
She bring back 2 things from the shop.
Yes.
1 condensed milk and 2 sachets of coffee.
Yes, because that's all.
Half an hour, I think.
That's all the cash I had in my purse.
It's a lockdown.
And I did ask, I did get asked for the sweetie for, you know, or Bobby or something. And the shop don't have no sweetie.
That is not possible. Which shop you go? Another right shop you
The
go?
shop that I went, no, I couldn't bother drive to the bigger shop.
So which shop you go for half an hour?
The smaller shop. I took my leisure the time I was going to rush and come back.
Alright, okay.
Listen, it's something you do all the time, you know, so.
No, I don't. When I go shop to go shop. There will be questions if I went on the shop for half an hour and brought back this.
No, but if you said to me, dear, I need to clear my mind, how would I argue with that?
Did you say you need to clear your mind, dear?
It was a decision taken at the spur of the moment.
Okay.
You have a problem?
That's fine.
You have a problem?
That's fine.
Okay.
No problem. Things are under control there. No babies have lost any limbs. No babies are crying.
And work is happening.
Work is going on.
So what we're doing for today?
What we're doing for today?
For the day.
The day. When work is through, I think we should go for a drive. Together, you know, we could probably take a half an hour together with everybody. Not like one person going away for half an hour kind of a thing. Yeah. That's a thought.
You see where that show? We're just at show left, right, and center. I don't go anywhere.
Left, right,
I don't even go anywhere, and I can't even take a little half an hour without people complaining.
I never said you can't. I'm just saying, if you wanted to, just say it. But you're gone for an extended time. I thought you were doing some big shopping. And I come back and said,
You give me big shopping money?
I told you there's money in my wallet.
Me never take all of it. Was I supposed to?
That is your prerogative.
So you hear that now? So say next time I go in the wallet, I won't be as conscientious as I was today. Cause me see so little change $50, $100. So fall up in the wallet, it fall up and then me see the next big money spread out in the wallet. So I take the little fall up money. Cause me say, well,
Is it full of money, why you take $1,000 at least? No, Sam. You can't send go shop again. You can't send go shop again. It's alright.
What? What's wrong? Want to go back to sleep?
Alright.
Come on, Miss Kitty. Breakfast that Daddy made for you. There's the art going. You would like someone to speak to? Okay. Are you better now? How are you? Hungry baby. Okay. Zahra, stop walking around with food.
They did something like that. So for example, this one everybody's good now.
Yes. Daddy feeding sister and nobody not feeding Ava. Hi guys, so we are taking a little drive out. We could pop in at the house for the whole day.
Whole week.
For the whole week. So we just decided that we're just going to come out. No, we're outside of Portmore. We just staying within Portmore. So we'll pick up some KFC and we had that. Everybody enjoyed their KFC?
Yes.
Okay.
Did you enjoy your chicken?
You had chicken, Leila?
Yes.
You liked it? Zahra, you had chicken? And you liked it? You had fries too? You like your fries?
Boat.
Boat? You see boat?
Yes. Boat.
It's so nice right here. Lovely. But it's beautiful. It's just nice. It's just nice to see the waves rolling in, to smell the fresh ocean air.
And importantly, the babies get to see outside and don't see outside a lot.
Yeah, that's a thing that I would love to be able to do with them more. But outside in our yard, have whole heap of mosquitoes at this time. Whole heap. Yeah.
You know, so this cliff actually looks like alligator pond.
It looked like an alligator.
Yeah, it looks like alligator pond. You know, in St. Elizabeth where they have where stand up from.
You can stand up from Lover's Leap.
Lover's Leap and see it, right?
Yeah.
And they say that
They say alligator head.
They say a little Oche, they call it alligator pond because where I call it a cliff, not a cliff, where the land, the hill descends and meet the sea, the coast. They say it looks like an alligator head.
I guess it's more like a crocodile head.
Yeah.
Because the crocodile snout longer.
Like a crocodile head.
Yeah.
But yeah, hope you're having a good weekend or that you're planning to have a good weekend. And remember to be careful with COVID still. I
Yeah.
heard the other day that there have been more COVID deaths for the first half of this year than there was for the entire last year.
That is just shocking to me, and I don't know why this point. You're talking worldwide, right?
Worldwide, yeah.
Yeah, this is, I don't know. Is it that I'm missing this information in the news,
We're
or
just desensitized, that's all. We've heard we're COVID fatigued, so we're tired of hearing about
yeah,
COVID.
because this should be alarming, especially with the vaccine being rolled out all over the world right now. Why are we seeing the numbers still climbing? Is it to be expected? I don't know. Seriously, did you fart or did one of the babies just fart?
No, I farted. That should be deleted. Or who knows? Tina edits so she stay sometime vindictive.
Vindictive!
That's what the thing does. But anyway, guys, stay with your family, friends, enjoy your weekend. Remember to have a moment to think about God, reflect on God, big up God. Not moments, have moments. If you can go to the barber, go to the barber, like me. I think I'm going to lock my hair though. Who knows? Until next time, have a safe weekend, have an enjoyable weekend, and big up from me and my house. Take care, guys.